What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 2 of this 3-part video. So the previous video, what we did was we went ahead and replaced the engine oil pan gasket and also the solenoid for the variable valve timing. Both of those were leaking oil. So that's all done. Hasn't really been cleaned up all the way yet, but that part's done. So in this part of the video, we're going to go ahead and replace the power steering pump and the power steering high pressure line. So if this is something that needs to be done on your car for whatever reason, either it be leaking, maybe the pump is making noise, this video is for you. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So we have the pump right here. Take it off. We have our one bolt right here. We have, where are you at? There's going to be one down here. Where is it at? Right here. This will go ahead and pivot this way so we can go ahead and take off the belt. We have our large banjo bolt right here for the high pressure line, and we have a clamp right here for the supply line. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get it changed out. Alright, pumps out. Here's the old one, here's a new one. I have 2 new copper crush washers and a new seal for right here. So let's go ahead and get this one installed. Okay, so for the power steering line, you can see there's one clamp right there. We gotta take that 10 mil bolt off. Following it around, we got a clamp right there, 10 millimeter, take that off. And I'm not sure if I can get it, but there is the flare nut right there that we're gonna have to pull off. So let's go ahead and see what I can do as far as getting that done on camera. Since the shop noise was really loud, I'm going to go ahead and voice over this part. So you see I have the part already off the car. So what I'm going to explain here is there is a O-ring that goes on the top of that, on that line. So I'm going to wait until it's all the way installed before I actually put the O-ring on. So as I'm feeding it through the car, it doesn't get hit, cut, or fall off. Also, that bracket that you see right here has to be removed from this line and moved over to the new line, as the new one does not come with it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get this part installed on the car. And we are in. Everything is tightened down. We're gonna head and add the fluid, bled it really quick, check for leaks. Everything looks good. So this part of it should be good to go. All right, guys. So that'll do it for part 2. We went ahead and did the powder string pump, high pressure hose in part 2. Part 1, we did the oil pan gasket and the valve timing solenoid. So part 3, you're going to go ahead and see me do the driver's side CV axle on the outer tie rods. And I believe we have the driver's side inner door handle to replace. So I'll put that all in the 3rd video. So till then, you guys have a good one.